A bomb scare targeting India's richest man. A suspended encounter specialist arrested for murdering a businessman. A sea-facing five-star hotel in the poshest area of Mumbai. Bags full of cash and a mystery woman. Every new day begins with a new twist in the high-profile Ambani bomb scare case. Twists enough to be turned into a blockbuster film or a binge-worthy series. Now at the center of the probe is this woman, spotted at the Trident Hotel last month. The same hotel where Vazeh had booked a room by giving fake documents. Who is the mystery woman spotted at the five-star hotel? Why was the woman carrying a machine meant for counting notes? What's the secret of 5 black bags being carried to the hotel? Why was the hotel room booked for a period of 100 days? Why did Sachin Vazeh fake his identity to stay in room number 1964? Sources in the NIA have told India Today that Sachin Vazeh is playing mind games with the interrogators. This despite the fact that probe agency has managed to recover Vazeh's fake Aadhaar card used to check in at the hotel.
Why was Sachin Vazeh staying in a five-star hotel in Mumbai from 16th to 20th February, close to the incident of the gelatin sticks found outside Antila? CCTV footage of this hotel has been seized by NIA. In the CCTV footage, Sachin Vazeh is seen. There is a woman for whom the NIA is looking for. She has a cash counting machine in her hand. There were 2 cash counting machines which were seized earlier from a Mercedes car which was used by Sachin Vazeh. So was that the same machine, and why this was happening? Was there a cash dealing happening? There are also news of a jeweler who was under investigation by Mumbai police booking these rooms for 100 days for Sachin Vazeh.
To simplify the case, we tell you the inside details that uncover the Sachin Vazeh, the Trident Hotel's room number 1964 link. Days before the gelatin-laden Scorpio was found near Antilla, Vazeh was spotted with the woman at the five-star hotel Trident on February 16th. CCTV footage has found that the woman wearing a mask had entered the hotel with the machine used to count currency notes. The NIA is going through at least 35 cameras across the hotel to verify her identity. Although Vazeh has refused to identify the woman, the sleuths have stumbled upon clinching evidence to nail the disgraced cop. So the question arises, was Sachin Vazeh handling a crucial case related to dark deals in the Maximum City? Was several women being grilled in connection with the case? Was the woman spotted with Vazeh linked to that case? But why is the identity of this mystery woman so important? It is believed that the woman knows the secret behind the 5 black bags found from Vazeh's possession. The concerned woman will answer the mystery around the counting machine and might spill the secret of the room number 1964. The CCTV footage shows that the mystery woman knew Vazeh very well. She was spotted with him in the cop's car and then inside the hotel on February 16th. A woman arrived at the NIA office on Friday for questioning. Officials suspect that she is the same woman who was seen entering the Trident Hotel and that she was helping Vazeh in diverting money that he extorted from hotels and bars.